Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Paolo Avellino consistent sa pagiging caring kay Kimi, hanggang 3 days ng block screening talaga nakasuporta siya kay Kim.
Welcome, good morning. Third day, there it is. This is it. happy Sunday.
What message or feeling do you hope viewers take away from this movie? Message is, love is universal and love comes in all forms. Hindi naman kailangan ng meron namang love from family, from friends, pero syempre may love na parang hindi naman tayo takot magmahal. Takot lang tayong masaktan at maiwan. So let's not be afraid to fall in love again and again.
Our brother, it's never too late to love. Uwi na! Okay na?
Parang hanggang doon na lang. Payong na maliit. Para mas
Sabi ko, parang tayo pareho. Para mas close. Ang maliit pa rin mas close. So alam mo na.
Maraming again and again. Thank you so much po. Sana po nag-enjoy po kayo sa pelikula. And sana nag-enjoy po kayo sa mga Q&A namin. Medyo, jet lag lang po kami. Pero kaya naman. But we're very happy to see all of you here today. And mag-picture po tayo with everything and chika-chika a little. Thank you!
Okay, then thank you so much for coming all the way here to watch our film and to see us. We appreciate you guys and thank you for your time.
Alright. First, red ribbon for dessert. Thank you so much. Alright, City Mark team, you're ready to go. Thank you.